Hello, viewers. You are welcome to my channel. We are going to be looking at a pragmatic diagnosis of this faulty hematocrit centrifuge that is faulty. So I am going to be walking you through the repairs. We are going to look at it step by step to see how we can resolve what the problem is. Presently, this machine doesn't come on, so we are going to look at it and find out what the fault may be and probably resolve it. So let's go straight to the machine. Maybe I may need to increase this a little. Let me magnify it so that we can see it very well. So this is a machine. I've been able to loosen the back. This is the base. This is the base. I've been able to, and the associated sail. It has a sail. You understand? All these things are important to minimize the noise and making sure that it's well covered. Okay, so I'll have to open it by pressing this button here. Most of these machines you may find it difficult to open it if it is not plugged, but this very one has a mechanical button here. You can see it. Once you press it, like opening it, it will be difficult, but once you press this button here, it will allow you will have access to it. So this is a machine. I've been able to deassemble this. Let me go straight to show you the internal wiring through the bottom. This, you see the entire wiring of the machine. So here is the fuse I mentioned earlier. Okay, here is the cord where you plug in the cord. This is the cord. This is the supply cord. You can see this is where you plug it in. But for now, we don't need it on. So this is the two fuses. Internally, you can see the fuse. We've been able to use our digital meter to confirm the status of the fuse. You can see by testing the two fuses, they're all okay. So we have been able to confirm that this fuse is okay. Then the outlet for the cord, supply cord is okay. Then here we have the timer. Here is the timer. We've been able to confirm that the timer is okay as well. Then you have the control knob here, on switch, on and off on switch. The switch is okay as well. Then we have been able to confirm that the AC motor, this is high speed motor. We've been able to confirm that is okay by testing, reading the resistance. We used our digital meter to confirm the resistance of this motor, and the two brushes, you can see the brushes. Here is the brushes of the motors. Both of them are okay. So the only thing that is left here is what? This is the regulator. This regulates the speed of this very motor. And if this is not okay, there is no way this will come on. So this is just basically a potential meter that increases the resistance and reduce and increase in order for the speed to be controlled. Now, this is the associated component of this very particular potential meter. So we've been able to diagnose that this very part is bad. You can see that there is a kind of burnt part here. So what I'm going to do, in order for me not to waste time, start looking at what the fault is. You can even see that the component is out of its position. So what I'm going to do is that I have another one here. I will quickly remove the entire regulator attached to this motor and introduce a new one. This very one here, you can see that the same potential meter is there, and the semiconductors, the electronic part of it is as well here attached to it. So there are two terminals of this very particular one. So let us quickly remove the whole of this. I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. So I've been able to dislodge this. I am not going to use this again. So I will introduce a new one right here before us. So one terminal of the motor is going to go in here. Remember, in using this, there is input and output as well. So this is the supply. This is the supply to this. So I will have to identify which one is input and output. The very part that is going to the potential meter should be the input. Then the output must come from the semiconductor. So here is the semiconductor part, and this one is the potentiometer part. So I will connect one of the cords here. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. I will connect one of them, then the other parts. Okay. Then tighten. I will tighten it. Yes. Having done that, so having locked this very well, what we are going to do is to attach it to the body of the machine. You know, so I am going to attach it body of the machine. There's a provision. Uh, there's a position for it here. Hope we are seeing what I'm doing. Okay. Okay. Firmly fitted. Okay, you can see I've been able to tighten it in here. So we've been able to effectively fix the regulator in here. You can see it. So what I'm going to do next is to see how to tidy all this cord. I am going to tidy this cord to look nice, because as you can see they are scattered. So this is not the right thing to do. I won't want anything to cause breach. You know, I don't know if you are seeing it very well. You can see how scattered. So I am going to tidy the cord. So so we've been able to tidy the internal wiring. You can see everything is free now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to guide the motor, because it won't be right to power this very electric motor on without guiding it. So I'm going to fix the base right now. You know, first of all, I will need to fix the sail. I'm going to fix the sail right now to fit it. Mm, right position again. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Then the cover will follow. Yes. Okay. Going to align it very well. Okay. I'm able to fit it very well. So I'm going to tighten up the base. Oh, can see I've been able to fit the to secure the knot. So, and this is for the motor. It's necessary to evenly secure the electric motor base. So having done that, mm, we're going to spin it to see if it is free. You see, it's free. So the next thing is to power it. You remember that we changed this, we removed this entirely. So we've been able to introduce another one here. Okay. So let me fit in the power cord for testing. Okay, I've been able to do that. So it's powered right now. So let's do the testing. I will first of all put the, I don't know if you are seeing it. Let me be sure. I'll on the timer. This is a timer. And here is the power. It's powered now. Then I have been, okay, let me put it on a little from the regulator. Remember there is a switch here that will always be energized when you close this very part, the cover. It will energize this switch. So this cannot come on except you close this. But in order for us to see what we are going, I am not going to close it. I am going to press this switch because what this cover does is to press it on. So I am going to press it to see if it will come on. Have you seen? It's spinning. Can you see? So let me increase the speed. So the most important thing is that it has come on. So I need to find out why maybe it's touching somewhere. I need to find out what the fault is from. So it's touching somewhere, but we've been able to restore the machine. It's now working. So I am going to lose the under to find out the alignment. I think it has an alignment issue now, but we've been able to restore the machine to order. So this will be beyond the scope of our lecture today. That will be all for today. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. Thank you.